Hello everyone, welcome to Greg's Workshop again. Part 2 of the cooling cups for grinders. When you get a bit hot, stick your piece of steel into it full of water. I got these ones done. There's 4 here, and one over here that I've been testing for a couple of days. Hadn't leaked a drop. There's plenty of water in it, as you can see. Yep. So that's what they turned out like. The way you use them, I got 3 black ones. I just finished painting these. They're not that good a paint job. Left some of them, didn't even grind them, just left them like the old ones. Like some of that other stuff, crusty, rusty, like a rat rod kind of thing. Yep. A bit warm today. A bit warm. My boy's car, that's coming up next. Probably about 3 weeks. He's going to be putting getting the head rebuilt. It's in there now. Getting rebuilt. I said I forgot all about these. I forgot all about them. I had them all ground this morning, today. Just come back from getting a can of clear coat to spray on. The one I got hanging up out there, so I ended up like these 3, with 3 clear coated and 3 black. So yeah, I gotta yeah, she's starting to warm up in here now. Yeah, one of my grinders bit the dust. Not this one like it. It was grinding fine. No sparks coming out of it. Turned it off. She was a bit warm, so I left it for cool down. I picked it up and turned it back on. She went, big puff of flames out of here. So, yeah, just wiping off some sweat. Yeah, so I'm sorry about that. I said I put a movie on. I got a thing on my face. I got to have my allergies back again. And when I was shaving this morning, when I got up and went and had I got an electric trimmer. I shave it back so far, so I can get the cream on my face, get rid of the rash. But my razor went flat. I'll show you what I mean. It might be a bit funny. I find it not funny, but you might. Might have a chuckle. See? So that'll be priceless. Yeah, these aren't too bad. They hold water. They don't leak. That's all I cared about. I said if I was making them for, I should have cleaned that edge off before I painted it. It's got the, that won't matter. I dusted a bit of grinding dust got on it while it was sitting over here. Yeah, I wasn't real happy. He's not real happy about his car. The bloke wanted to dodge him. He had a little Suzuki, bug-eyed Sprite. and I think they're a bug-eyed sprite. What were they called? Yeah, it's there and gone. And there's nothing wrong with it. Only used a bit too much fuel for his liking. For a 4-cylinder, non-turbo. Had the biggest sideways 4-cylinder you could put in, like a Beetle motor that you could put in it out of a Volkswagen. Yeah, I don't know. I used to call them bug-eyed sprite. The front of them looked like a big bug. This one had the eyes coloured in, the headlights coloured in, with a big black top on it with the eyeball and the eyelashes, the big flame up the bonnet. He cleaned all that off, except for the eyes on it. Left them there. But I can't remember what the name of them were. Yeah, you get old, you don't remember much. No. Yeah, I'm going to be putting the video out on every fortnight. I can't afford to. I'm only paying on what I got. So every fortnight I can afford to put one or two videos out. Well, depends what's coming in to do in here. If I've got no work coming in, I won't be able to do it. Unless I got work of my own I've got to do. I've got plenty of work of my own. And that's not bringing any money. Yeah, well, anybody local wants to buy a press? A couple of presses here I got. I can make a couple of bead roller stands and a slip roller stand. I'll make them for them if they want them, or whatever they want. Well, this is not too complicated. I got to have a CNC machine to cut them all and lock them all together, and then you just weld the little darling clips together. CNC's done it all the work for you. I said, I wish. Little 2-foot square one. Or 3 foot by 3 foot by 2 foot by 3 foot. One that I can wheel around from place to place. Put it away. Nah, cost too much. Anyhow, I'm going to love yous and leave yous. I'm going to put this video up tonight and tell me what you think. Should I spend a bit more time on sanding, cleaning them up a bit better, or you don't mind a bit of a rat rod look? Okay. I do everything else shiny and spick and span. I said I was a bit teetered off and not been able to do other stuff. This is going to be a short video anyhow. Anyway, you want to do anything, just use the eBay address, which is in the description below, and just you can PayPal it to me, or I'll send you my address if you send me an email. Okay then everyone, gotta love you and leave you. Bye.